maintenance workers are on the job, but with COVID-19 concerns, companies are now focused on providing services while keeping residents and workers safe. WSAV News 3's McKenna Cieslak is on your side tonight with what you need to know.
Whether it's a problem with HVAC, plumbing, or a power outage, emergencies can strike at any moment. It's during a crisis such as the coronavirus that make critical situations more difficult to respond to. However, maintenance companies are reassuring customers that they're working to keep both you and employees safe.
We know that having the lights on is an absolute must right now with so many people not able to leave their homes. So crews are always going to do the appropriate distance efforts. They're going to make sure that you and your children and pets are indoors to maintain a safe distance.
Because most of their work involves in-home face-to-face contact, maintenance technicians are asking that people only require assistance if it's an absolute emergency.
We're not going in people's homes unless it is absolutely, positively a dire emergency situation, and there is no way that they can get by otherwise.
Boyd, along with other maintenance technicians, say they've taken every safety measure in order to do so.
We do, we have the rubber gloves, to try to, help for anything that we might touch and so forth. And then, of course, using the proper protocol of washing your hands and using hand sanitizer. What I've expressed to all my guys is I don't want you to go anywhere that you don't feel comfortable.
Local companies here to provide service during this crucial time are doing it with the safety of both themselves and you in mind. McKenna Cieslak, WSAV News 3, on your side.
WSAV News 3 also spoke to other maintenance companies that have started waiting lists for when they can safely provide services.